Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss PF61, that is how to generate IDP metadata URL for WS-Fed or SAML based applications. So yeah, we'll just quickly look on this, a very small video, and we'll try to understand how we can generate the IDP metadata URL for both type of applications. So let's begin. Let's see how we can generate the IDP metadata URL, let's say for SAML application or WS-Fed application. So first of all, what we need, we just need a base URL. So let's go to server and just get that base URL, and let's copy here. Now you just need that the endpoint for the metadata, like how you can just this must be an endpoint for the metadata address. So just go to IDP application endpoints, and on the system services you can see the get federation metadata. Just copy this address and bring it in our URL. So let's put like this. So you have like the base URL with the /pf/federation underscore metadata.ping. Now with the query parameter you can just define the application address, like entity ID, I'll say the identifier of the application. So for test app it will be like test app. So I'll give like test app here, partner SPID is equal to test app. Yeah, so the final URL will look like something like this. So you have base URL, you have the endpoint of the federation metadata, and then you have the application ID. Now if you can click on enter, you can able to extract the metadata for that particular connection, and then you can just give this address to the application team or the end user, or maybe the whosoever wants this metadata file. But make sure that this is like exposed or it is restricted. Sometimes this address is like not open, so maybe from the internet you can't able to open this. So make sure on those things. But yeah, this is the way you can generate the metadata URL, and then you can just you can just give the URL and application can extract the value. The advantage of this URL is let's say that someone, let's say an application set up the SAML connection and they are just using this metadata URL to get the information from the ping side. Now at the ping side, if you made some changes, let's say you just added some attributes in the connection, so what happened, automatically this URL, by the help of this URL, the things will be updated at the application end. So the application team is not supposed to just make some changes if you are making some changes at the ping side. And same thing applies for the ping also. So at the ping side also, you see there is an option to import the metadata URL while we are building the connection. So in that case also, if application can give their metadata URL, and if we can just use that, then yeah, ping can have that option to again just get the information. If application, let's say application just updated their entity ID and consumer URL, so you're not supposed to do anything. It will automatically make a change at other ends, right? Maybe it's IDP or SP, whatever. So that's the advantage of the IDP URL. And for the WS-Fed app, it's the same thing, just you need to define the application ID, but the other base URL and the federation endpoint will be just the same. So I just need to change this. Sorry, I just need to remove the test app with the WS-Fed test app. Now if I click on enter, I can able to extract the metadata for my WS-Fed connection. Okay, so this is the way you can just use and get the metadata URL and then just give to application team, or whatever that whosoever want to use this. So yeah, this is a very simple task, but yeah, you just need to understand how you can get that. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section. Thank you.